Good morning, guys. What's up, YouTube? Yes, your boy is back with another content today. Today I am at Holiday Inn Express Dubai, which is located in Al Gargood near the airport, Dubai Terminal 3. I am staying in hotel for last 2 days. I thought why not share this room review and hotel review with you guys. Yes, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest video update. Without further ado, let's get into the, you guys say, let's get into the content. Well guys, I'm going to show you the washroom. Here it goes. This is the shower. It's a small washroom. You have an option for hot and cold, and have body and wash biodegradable contents. Yeah, it's a cute little shower place, and you can see the mirror. They have nice dimension mirror, and they have a hand wash as well. I didn't find out any amenities, might be they are not keeping because it's a 3-star hotel, IHG hotel. It is coming under the IHG hotel, Holiday Inn Express in Dubai. There you go guys, it's me. And you kids, you get some hair dryer. It's old fashionable hair dryer, I can say. Let me try it for you guys. I don't know whether it's working or not. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's it for the washroom. Let me show you the room. Here you go guys. This is just 22 square meter room. 22 square room. And you got a little comfy bed. This is double bed. And there are 2 lamps over in the bed, and I love that lamp over the head, which has been placed with a great design and some art piece. And I love the wall texture color, which is dark blue color, and it's a comfy sofa here, which you can make it as a bed as well, like sofa come bed. Yes, and there is a lamp over here, and see the TV. I think it is 40-inch TV, smart Samsung. And you get a cute little table over here for you. You can work over here. Yeah, those are my laptops and car key pouch. And you get a little space to keep over your luggage, and 1 drawer. And there is a mini bar over here. And if you come to the coffee area, where you get plenty of some green tea and some Lipton and creamer and coffee and sugar, and you will get 3 water bottle complimentary, which I already drank 2. And these are my stuff, and kettle, and 1 lamp over here as well, 1 small mirror here as well guys. Yes, is it dark guys? I don't know. Guys, now I will show their main course. This is sogo pudding. This again some dessert kind of thing. Pasta Alfredo. roasted potato, dal curry, which is my favorite, grilled chicken, and steamed rice, Mexican rice, and soup. See the setup of them. It's very beautiful. You can have unlimited because it's I have come to Holiday Inn Express in Dubai, which is closer to the airport road. So I have chosen their dinner for today. So these are their salads. Desserts. And these are for mineral water. I think they haven't kept any juice for now. Okay guys, you can see what I have taken from the buffet. Some steamed rice, dal chana, some pasta, some fried potatoes, and these are for my desserts. So today is my cheat day, so I'm going to use some fruit custard, some cupcakes, some brownies, and obviously watermelon. And this is some pasta soup and some salad and olive, and this is Mexican rice and Coke. That's all. Guys, you can see this is a gym, and they are keeping some towels as well as some cup to drink some water, and you can see plenty of cycling machines and dumbbells. yes, some treadmills and some workout for your back, chest. So this is a pretty good gym as well, guys. How beautiful it is. Isn't it good for walking? Yes. And that's where the scene is. I'll show one more time for you guys. Yeah, very cool.